Assalamu alaikum dear students. Question of mean value theorem is function of x is equal to x cube minus 3x minus 1 on two condition minus 11 over 7 and 13 over 7. Solution for mean value theorem, function derivative of c is equal to value theorem. Function derivative of c is equal to function of b minus function of a over b minus a. Now function of a is equal to minus 11 over 7 minus 3x minus 11 over 7 minus 1. After completing square, minus over 343 plus 33 over 7 minus 1. Now taking LCM, 343 is LCM minus plus 16, 17 minus 343 is equal to over 343. We get function of a is equal to minus 57 over 343. Now function of b is equal to 37 minus 3 or 37 minus 1. 343 minus 39 over 7 minus 1. Taking LCM, 343 minus 343. We get function of b is equal to minus 57 over 343. So function of x is equal to function of x is equal to x cube minus 3x minus 1. Now function derivative of x is equal to 3x square minus 3. And function derivative of c is equal to 3c square minus 3 for mean value theorem. Function derivative of c is equal to function of b minus function of a over b minus a. Now putting value 3c square minus 3 is equal to minus 57 over 343 minus 57 over 343 over 37 plus 11 over 7. Now multiply on both sides, 37 plus 11 over 7 and so on, and other sides. 3c square minus 3, 37 plus 11 over 7 is equal to minus 57 over 343 plus 57 over 343 cancel with each other. Now we will get 3c square minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3 common, c square minus 1 is equal to 0 and c square minus 1 is equal to 0 and c square is equal to 1, taking square root on both sides. C is equal to plus 1 minus 1. Hence mean value theorem is satisfied and C is equal to 1 and C is equal to minus 1. Hence mean value theorem is satisfied.